See, in that context, is that particular force is applied to a much higher tension. So hence the reason we find when a string on the instrument, like let's say a string or any object, you know, ambiguity means indecisiveness, uncertainty. Triple more is a literal statement, within some but the contrasting interpretation derived from tone. Vagueness. This is all tonality. To have a deeper understanding of rhetorical devices ambiguity is not vague, and vague is not ambiguity. Literary devices.
Look at your freaking boy. Your boy freaking are glowing. I'm freaking glowing, yo. I got the glow. You see the dimples? You see the cute dimples? You see the gap? You hear the freaking